Hello everyone, welcome to the Fixing Up official channel. Today, we're talking about a sector that quietly powers India's economy: micro, small and medium enterprises, or MSMEs. They don't always make headlines like big corporates or startups, but without MSMEs, India's growth story would simply collapse. So in the next 5 minutes, let's understand why MSMEs are called the backbone of India's economy, the challenges they face, and what needs to change for India to become a truly developed nation. First of all, we will discuss what are MSMEs and why they matter. MSMEs include small factories, workshops, service units, traders, artisans, and entrepreneurs spread across India, from big cities to the remotest villages. Now here, why they matter so much. MSMEs contribute around 30% to India's GDP. They generate nearly half of India's manufacturing output. They account for about 40–45% of exports. And most importantly, they are the second largest source of employment after agriculture. What does this mean? It means MSMEs don't just create wealth. They create jobs. They promote entrepreneurship. And they ensure inclusive growth, especially for rural and semi-urban India. That's why economists call MSMEs the real backbone of the Indian economy. Next, we will discuss about key challenges faced by MSMEs. Despite their importance, MSMEs face structural and persistent problems. First, access to credit. Many MSMEs struggle to get bank loans due to lack of collateral or credit history. As a result, they depend on informal lenders with high interest rates. Second, delayed payments. Large companies and government departments often delay payments, creating severe cash flow crises for small businesses. Third, regulatory and compliance burden. MSMEs must deal with multiple laws, filings, and inspections, which increases costs and discourages growth. Fourth, technology and skill gaps. Many MSMEs still use outdated technology and lack skilled manpower, making it difficult to compete globally. Together, these challenges trap MSMEs in a cycle of low productivity and limited scale. Now we will discuss about government, initiatives, and support. To address these issues, the government has launched several initiatives. UDIAM registration, simplified MSME registration. Credit guarantee schemes improved access to collateral-free loans. Digital platforms helped MSMEs access markets and services. CHMPINS portal provides grievance redressal and handholding. These steps aim to move MSMEs from informal survival units to formal, competitive, and growth-oriented enterprises. However, policy support alone is not enough. Implementation and last-mile delivery remain critical. Last but not least, we will understand MSMEs and India's future. Viksit Bharat. Looking ahead, MSMEs are central to India's vision of Viksit Bharat. They can strengthen manufacturing under Make in India, integrate into global supply chains, promote innovation and startups, create millions of non-farm jobs. A strong MSME sector means a strong middle class, a resilient economy, and balanced regional development. India cannot become a global economic power without empowering its MSMEs. Finally, we will conclude that MSMEs are already the backbone of India's economy. But with better credit access, faster payments, simplified regulations, and technology adoption, they can become the engine of India's future growth. If India wants sustainable, inclusive, and resilient development, MSMEs must be at the center of policy and practice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe.